I'm Sammy Harper and I'm the founder of Pekin. Today I'm hosting a Gals Hike Club.
How are we feeling? Woo!
Pekin was inspired from my own journey, feeling disconnected from myself, feeling alone. I found that there was nowhere out there for women to come together. I am now creating a space for women to come, feel empowered, feel at one with themselves, and to know that they are supported in stepping into this new phase of their life. Adobe Express Mobile helps me streamline my content creation. Everything I'm doing is on the go with my events. I want to be able to post as soon as an event is done and allow my community to stay connected, to stay excited, and to also share the amazing things that we've shared that day together. I have absolutely zero experience in creating content. Adobe Express Mobile is so important for someone running a business on their own. So having an app like this that has that AI feature, that gives me templates on the go, creating professional things that allow people to see my brand is honestly a game changer. If your brand is in alignment with yourself, you are going to fly. Stay true to you and follow your mission. People buy people, and I think the best thing I have done is just be me and actually put out things that work for my life, and actually it's attracted to the right people and it's creating a community that I am so proud to be the leader of. My advice to anyone would be just say yes, go after it, because your mind is gonna try and hold you back. It's gonna think that staying in the comfortable zone is gonna keep you safe. I would challenge you to get uncomfortable, and I promise the magic will follow.